Welcome to Auto Turbo Heels. Today we re-diving into 2026 GMC Denali, packed with power, luxury, and advanced tech. You're in the driver's seat as we break down what makes Denali's newest chapter so exciting. 2026 GMC Denali ushers in the ultra-premium Denali Ultimate trim for the Acadia, elevating GMC's midsize SUV game with bold styling. The exterior dazzles with a Vader chrome grille, animated LED daytime running lamps, exclusive badging, and aggressive 22-inch machined aluminum wheels finished in after-midnight metallic. The visual package sets the tone, refined yet unapologetically commanding. Inside, Denali Ultimate refines luxury. Heated and ventilated woodland mahogany full-leather front seats not only cradle but also massage you, with plated contrast stitching elevating craftsmanship. Hauled-out wood trim, laser-etched accents, and embossed topographical maps grace seat backs, door panels, and map pockets, reminding you that attention to detail matters. Unique floor mats and Denali Ultimate badging seal the deal. The sound stage is top tier. A Bose 16-speaker Performance Series audio system promises concert hall immersion. Driving, Super Cruise hands-free driver assistance comes standard with a 3-year OnStar One Super Cruise plan, making long stretches effortless and tech-forward. Visibility is next level with 9 camera views, including HD surround vision and a rear camera mirror. Stay informed with a configurable 8-inch head-up display. Convenience is dialed in with a panoramic sunroof, AutoSense power liftgate, and performance suspension for smooth yet confident handling. Pick one of 6 selectable drive modes to match terrain or mood. All Denali trims feature a rear camera mirror to reduce visual obstruction, swapping the traditional mirror for a clearer, tech-enhanced view. Safety is dialed up with over 19 standard safety and driver assist features. Underneath it all, the standard 2.5L turbocharged engine delivers 328 horsepower and 326 pound-feet of torque, paired with an 8-speed automatic. Capable of towing up to 5,000 pounds, it's performance you can trust. Production begins at Lansing Delta Township and dealerships should stock them starting Q3 2025, with Denali Ultimate arriving a bit later. Pricing details to surface on gmc.com soon. That's not the only Denali in the 2026 lineup. The 2026 GMC Canyon Denali brings luxury to the midsize truck category with its own set of premium thrills. Starting around $53,000, it boasts the 310 horsepower Turbo Max engine with a segment-leading 430 pound-feet of torque and a massive towing capacity of up to 7,700 pounds. Step inside and enjoy the Denali exclusive jet black interior with teak accents, leather-appointed seating, and laser-etched open-pore wood trim. Tech highlights include a 6.3-inch multicolor head-up display, 11.3-inch digital touchscreen, Bose premium audio, and up to 10 camera views, even underbody-facing ones. All tied together with 20 inches diamond-cut aluminum wheels outside. For those investing in GMC's electric future, the 2026 Sierra EV Denali continues that trajectory. Positioned above elevation and AT4 trims, Denali offers all 3 battery options: standard, extended, and max range. With Super Cruise, adaptive suspension, available 4-wheel steer, and a panoramic fixed glass roof. Pricing for Denali trims starts around $71,795, climbing with battery upgrades. Sierra EV Denali with max range could stretch up to approximately 460 miles on a single charge and may include features like air ride adaptive suspension, multi-wheel steer, and even off-board power capabilities. Whether you're picking the Acadia Denali Ultimate, the Canyon Denali, or the Sierra EV, GMC is offering Denali experiences across fuel types and segments, all unified by premium materials, capability, and advanced tech. Let it sink in. Denali's not just a label, it's a symbol of elevated performance, comfort, and innovation across GMC's 2026 lineup.